LS Lux is quite a bold statement about KEF's technology ambition and pedigree. We incorporate everything that we've developed so far into Lux, all done in a way that feels intended and natural.
There's a lot of technology inside the Lux, but it is still very simple to live with. So all of these technologies, including VECO, have been integrated within the core of the loudspeaker system itself. So there are no settings to tweak, there's no user calibration needed, it just works straight out of the box. VECO plays an important role in the technical design of the Lux, as it allows us to deliver measurably lower distortion, greater level of detail in the mid-range, and a cleaner, deeper, and more accurate bass experience.
When combining sculptural design with high-end acoustics, sometimes there are things that you need to overcome, sometimes there are things that can actually turn out to be unexpected benefits.
The form is very smooth, it's rounded, and there are no sharp edges. So from an acoustic point of view, this is really ideal because this minimizes diffraction and it allows the UniQ to maintain its smooth and wide dispersion characteristics across all angles. The shape of the cabinet and the requirement for a high quality of finish essentially dictated the material that we could use for the cabinet. So here we've used BMC, which is a glass fiber reinforced composite material. It has a lot of mechanical strength within itself, and it offers a very high dimensional accuracy. With the flexible decoupling chassis, which are designed to minimize the vibrations of the motor from coupling into the cabinet, we have a cabinet that is very mechanically strong and very inert by itself. Although the benefit of this on the acoustic side is that we don't need a very complex bracing structure inside the LF cavity. This frees up the volume for the low frequency driver, and it helps us improve the efficiency.
Being an active product brings many benefits. The integrated amplifiers and DSP allows us to bring a level of refinement that we just can't achieve with passive speakers. For the user, the suite of built-in connectivity and the simple plug-and-play nature means it's just really easy to use.
The final stage of system development for us is designing the balance. We can take advantage of all of the acoustic technologies that we have to deliver the experience that we want to deliver. Once we've settled on the balance, MIE helps us make sure that we can keep that consistent regardless of content type, regardless of configuration, and regardless of playback level.
So LS50 has become something of a classic in recent years. With Lux, it's able to take what LS50 did well and move it up to the next level.
One of the first things that a user experiences when they listen to the Lux is going to be the bass extension and the quality of the bass. If you focus on the sound image, the benefits of the UniQ and the low diffraction cabinets become very clear as you hear this expansive and very detailed soundstage. And then finally, mid-range clarity that benefits tremendously from the current amplification that we have built in. Our goal with the listening experience of the LS Lux has been to deliver one that is clearly a step up from LS50 Wireless 2. And I think combining all of these technologies, I can say that we are confidently delivering that.